Learn to open your spirit eyes and travel into the dimensions whereby you can tap into knowledge that is typically hidden from you.
During this 6 weeks course, we will discover your soul's plan, uncover your spiritual blueprint, and learn your life's purpose. We will also meet your spirit guides, learn how to channel, and connect with your inner healer. Would you like to communicate with loved ones who have crossed over to the other side? This is also on the agenda, as well as experiencing a future lifetime and more. Tuesdays at 7 p.m. Eastern Time, online via Zoom, beginning August 27th and continuing through October 1st. This is a soul-expanding series that will enhance your development and add joy to your life. Each session will be recorded and posted online, so that if you miss any sessions, you may access them at your convenience. Please join us for this life-enhancing workshop.